That's a nice point. Hi, I'm Alex here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we'll be talking about the Staysharp Pro. The Staysharp Pro is a versatile tungsten grinder designed for repeatable and consistent angle grinding of tungsten welding electrodes. It has a grinding angle of 0 to 60 degrees and is capable of grinding tungsten electrodes from 1/16th diameter up to 3/16th diameter. Inside the Staysharp Pro, we have a 180 grit diamond wheel that spins at 5,000 RPM. Although it may sound tempting, please refrain from putting anything other than tungsten electrodes inside the Staysharp Pro. This unit comes with 2 collets that hold a 1/8 and 3/32 diameter tungsten electrode. The Staysharp Pro has a limited 1-year warranty. The dust cover on the front of the Staysharp Pro traps any airborne particles, and it can be emptied from the bottom. Alright, so step 1 is going to be to figure out which angle you want to grind at. So we got this handy chart here. Now to adjust it, you're going to loosen these two on the side here, and then just move it. You'll see it'll line up with whatever degree of angle you want. For this example, let's go 30. Just tighten up this side and the other side. Step 2 is going to be to put in the correct collet for the size of tungsten you're sharpening. I got a 1/8 one in here, or 3.2 millimeter. Just going to take that out because today we're going to be sharpening some Blue Demon Pure 3/32 tungsten electrodes. It does say the size on the actual collet. Probably won't show up on camera, but anyways, grab your 3/32 collet, throw it in there, get the tungsten in there. Now you're going to tighten this up a little bit, not all the way yet, but just get it kind of snug, and then move the electrode out. So the reason we didn't tighten it all the way is because you're actually going to go ahead and put it inside of this hexagon here, and this is going to set your tungsten to the perfect length every time to start grinding, and then you can tighten it up just like that. It's roughly how much you'll have sticking out. Before you fire up the Staysharp Pro and actually start grinding, you're going to want to loosen this up till it's almost off. That's too much. And then go ahead and stick it in. What that's going to do is set your tungsten at the correct height, because as you grind, you're going to adjust this while turning the tungsten, and that's going to get you a nice point every time. So you don't just wear out the same area on the wheel here. You have this little thumb screw up top that you can loosen up, and then you can adjust where on the wheel you're actually going to grind it. Alright, I've removed the dust cover so hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. Now we're going to fire it up. And then you're just going to tighten this slowly until you can hear it start grinding. And you can turn them both at the same time. And then you're just going to tighten this as needed to keep going down until you get your desired point. Alright, let's see if we can focus on this. And there you go. Perfect point every time. You can load up the next tungsten and get to it.